If you're planning a new roof and want it to last long while looking killer, getting the right materials and quotes is key, especially with a vintage property like yours. So, here's the deal with roofing costs and options. When you're looking at a 14-square main home plus an 8-square addition and a 6-square garage, stuff adds up fast. Especially if you want premium materials like Brava tiles or real slate. That $70,000 to $80,000 quote for the whole shebang, roof, copper flashing, gutters, and downspouts, sounds about right for high-end stuff, particularly in Southeast PA, where weather and style matter. Black metal roofing on the garage and addition is definitely a smart move. It's durable, looks modern yet classic, and won't weigh down your structure like slate or tile can. For the main home, Ludowici tiles or real slate will give you that arts and crafts charm and longevity, but be prepared for big bucks and heavy weight. Your home might need structural reinforcement to handle that. Don't overlook DaVinci tiles either. They give a similar look to slate, but with less weight and often better pricing. Copper flashing is a great investment too, since it lasts forever and adds that clean, finished look that stands out. Gutters and downspouts should match your roof's quality. Cheap ones will cause headaches down the line. Always get multiple bids from local pros so you can compare pricing, and don't hesitate to ask for references or past project photos. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing projects is not factoring in the weight of materials. Real slate and tile aren't just pricey, they're heavy as heck, so your roof structure might need upgrades before installation. Another common pitfall is skimping on flashing or gutter quality. Cutting corners here leads to leaks and water damage that cost way more than the initial savings. Lastly, many folks don't shop around enough or fail to check contractor reviews, ending up with subpar work or hidden fees. The fix? Always verify the weight support for your roof, invest in quality flashing and gutters, and get at least 3 detailed quotes from trusted contractors. BigHomeProjects.com is solid if you're trying to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you mid-project. It's also a sweet spot for contractors looking to find work without jumping through a ton of hoops. Whether you're a homeowner or a pro, it's a good tool to keep in your back pocket when tackling big renovations like roofing.